Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I can never have too many hairbands. I want to show you these black hairbands from GOSICUKA, and these are awesome because you get a ton of hairbands, and I am honestly always losing them and misplacing them, and this is a great way for me to always have what I need. I love these hairbands because there is 120 in here. They are a basic black hairband, and they are very, very strong. They're well made, they have a good stretch to them, and they really seem to retain their shape very, very well and not get super stretched out. So I have fairly thin hair, so I don't need anything super, super strong, but these are actually made for thick and curly hair as well. So these are definitely going to be great for all different types of hair. So I really like these because they are just plain black. There's no metal pieces on them. When I put them up in my hair, I don't feel any pulling or tugging, and when I pull them out, I don't feel anything catching either. So I have used these on my hair when it's wet as well as when it's dry, and I really am happy with these hairbands, and that's my point of view.